What? We're looking for storms right now. It's raining out hard. Sorry about the street lights. Can't do nothing about that. There's a cool looking bridge right here. You're at the Stillwater Bridge? Liam?
I just need to know how dumb you are.
I'm not dumb. I just don't know technology. Whatever. Don't laugh at me, I'm trying to record. Oh man, I keep missing it. What the hell can we do? There we go, I guess about it. The lights from the street lights make it a little harder. There we go. Now it's dark.
Okay, Pearl.
Oh ho ho ho! Listen to that rain. If you live at 65, I don't think we should go that.
We're going 45, man.
Yeah, we're going 45. That's fast enough and dangerous enough. Whoa!
I think we got
Maybe I should have turned more that way.
One by one, candles are being lit. 34 in all.
Got it?